Hello, students. Please make sure that you're being very well behaved for the substitute. I definitely don't want to have to deal with any behavior issues while I've been absent. Today is Thursday, the 31st. Please make sure you have out a piece of scratch paper, a red pen, and your pencil. Okay, today for our L2J quiz, the first question will be 5A. So please write down 5A. What is the LCM of 28 and 16? Go ahead and pause the video now until students are ready. Okay, next question is 11B. 11B. Convert the percent 10% to a fraction in lowest terms. Remember, guys, you're just doing your best. There are a lot of these that you don't know yet, and that's fine. Go ahead and do your best on this one. Pause the video now until students are ready. Okay, next we have 22C. 22C. Jill is baking cookies for a bake sale. She needs a total of 126 cookies for the bake sale. She has already baked 4 dozen cookies. How many more cookies does she need to bake in order to meet her goal? Write and solve an equation for this situation. Okay, so you're going to pick which equation or which math sentence represents this story problem. Go ahead and pause the video now until students are ready. Okay, next we have 25C. 25C. Taylor pays $2.40 for half or 0.5 yards of fabric. What is the cost per yard of fabric? Okay, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, next we have 37A. The point A has the coordinates 3, 4. What point do we get when we reflect A across both the x and the y axis? Okay, is it point A, B, C, D, or E? Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, next, number 48A. 48A says describe the data using the shape of the data in the graph. Is this data skewed left, skewed right, plateau data, or no pattern? Go ahead and pause the video now. And last is 60B. Find the range of the data in the box plot below. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, at this point, you should have your pencil on the floor. Your grading utensil is out. Remember, this is based on your growth, so please be honest as you check your answers. 5A was first. 5A, what is the LCM or least common multiple of 28 and 16? If I multiply 28 and 16, the first number that I'll come to is D, 112. So please leave it alone if you got D correct. If you got D incorrect, please just put an X by 5A. Next is 11B. Convert the percent 10% into a fraction in lowest terms. 10% is 10 over 100. However, that fraction can be reduced by dividing both the top and the bottom numbers by 10, and so B is the fraction in lowest terms. So if you got it correct, again, just leave it alone. Incorrect, please put an X next to 11B. Next is 22C. Jill is baking cookies for a bake sale. She needs a total of 126 cookies for the bake sale. She already has baked 4 dozen cookies. How many more dozen does she need to make in order to make her goal? Okay, the answer here is A, because I need to multiply 12 by 4 dozen in order to see how many she's already done. And then I need to add in the amount of cookies that she still has to bake, and that has to equal 126. So again, if you got this correct, leave it alone. If you did not, please put an X next to 22C. Next is 25C. Taylor pays $2.40 for half of a yard of fabric. What is the cost per yard of fabric? It would be $4.80. If it's $2.40 for half, we just multiply that by 2 in order to get a full yard. Okay, so if you got it right, leave it alone. If you got it incorrect, please put an X next to 25C. Next, we have 37A. Okay, here is point A. When we reflect this point across the X is right here, and the Y, which is right here, our answer is D. You would be here at this point. If you got it correct, leave it alone. If you got it incorrect, please put an X next to 37A. 48A, describe the data of the shape used of the data in the graph. This is a skewed right, okay, because most of the data is on the right. If you got it correct, leave it alone. If you got it incorrect, please go ahead and put an X next to 48A. Last is 60B. 60B, find the range. The range goes from the smallest to the largest point. The largest is 12, the smallest is 0, so 12 take away 0 is 12. Okay, this was the last one, so please put an X next to the 60B if you got it incorrect. Then go ahead and count up how many correct answers that you had and put that number on the top of your paper, please. Please also make sure that your first and last name is at the top. We will graph these on Monday, and we'll do our class graph and your individual graph at that time. So at this time, please again, double check, make sure your last and first name is on the top. You will collect them now and hand them to your substitute. Have a nice weekend, guys, and we'll see you on Monday.